Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is another alternate card using the Key to My Heart January 2023 paper pumpkin kit. So I have got one of the greeting banners, plus I've stamped it in Mango Melody with the You Hold the Key to My Heart stamp. I've got one of the die cuts, and what I've done is I have taken a Mango Melody card base, and then I have used some of the Dandy Designs paper. This is Celebration, free with $120. There's 4 of each sheet in here. Look at all those gorgeous, gorgeous pieces of paper. So that's really cute. I can see lots of St. Patrick's Day, lots of Easter, that kind of thing with this. So that is the Dandy Designs Designer Series paper that is free with a $120 purchase during Celebration. So that's the paper I've used for this. It coordinates so well. So I am just going to take a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of the Designer Series paper, and I'm just going to add it to the Mango Melody card base. So there, we've got that popped on like that. Then I was going to do this, and then I realized it really kind of, you lose the paper. So I decided to put one of the scalloped contour dies in the middle, just to give it a little bit of breathing room so that we don't lose the polka dotted paper. Quite often, a similar principle to quilting, you don't want to have one pattern overwhelming the other. You want them all to be kind of coordinating and working together. So this piece of paper is 2 3/4 by 4. So 2 3/4 by 4, just to fit inside that scalloped contour die. Sorry, losing the thread today. Okay, and I want to dimensionalize this. Again, I haven't pre-made this card. I've just kind of put it together in my head. So let's go ahead and put this one through. There we go. And we're just going to center this right in the middle like this. And then we have a couple of decisions to make. Do I want to put this right up like this, with this underneath it like that? Do I want to have this on an angle? And I think I actually quite like it on an angle. But the other thing that I'm going to do with this is, because it tends to all blend into the background, I'm going to dimensionalize this as well. Dimensionalizing is a really good way to separate your layers so you get a little bit of that 3D effect, so you don't lose your pieces into the background. So let's pop that like that, and just lifting it up that little bit gives us that dimension. So there we go. I'll pop this down super quick, super easy, and we're just going to line this up, pop it down like that, and there we go. Super quick, super simple, using the, I have to look at the back of the paper package again, the Dandy Designs Designer Series paper, free with the Celebration set, coordinating with elements from the kit. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternate ideas.